Okay, here we are, 210 Flournoy, and this gorgeous home is coming to the market at the range of $4,250. So what we have is basically a partially furnished rental. So as you can see, very good taste with mid-century furniture. Okay, so we have 3 bedrooms in total in this unit. So this is the first bedroom that also can be used as an office. So you see beautiful details in this beautiful home. 1 bathroom right here. Then we move into the house that we see the dining room right here, bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and then there is another bedroom outside of the house. So you see. Okay, now we go into the dining room again, and now we see the kitchen right here. Stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. Nice countertops, granite countertops. Definitely beautiful stove, professional stove. And we see over here beautiful views, definitely gorgeous views. We are just like 2 blocks from Daly City Bart station, and we have a really nice outdoor backyard full of plants. As you can see, this is a gorgeous home. Once again, could be seen by you just contacting Gustavo Lopez at 415-312-5017. So now we see the other bedroom. Over here, Bart, which is really close. So Bart is like 3 blocks from here, so it's easy to access. So to see this unit, you just need to contact Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017 for a showing of this gorgeous house. There you go, that's Bart. Look at it. So it's gonna go to Bart Daly City, which is actually in that direction, very close to this beautiful house located here in the Excelsior district. Once again, Gustavo Lopez, 415-312-5017. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you at 210 Flournoy.